You see that $1 million skin you've been looking at, see that hydrating, moisturizing, glowing skin you want. You can't achieve it with lightening body lotion. Those lotions that lighten your skin a lot, that bleaches your skin, you can't achieve that glowy effect with them. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my top hydrating, moisturizing body lotion that you can introduce your routine this summer. Don't you want to glow? Don't you want to shine? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I post new video. Let's get into the video. The first one I have is the Cosmos Vanilla Cashmere body lotion. Aside the fact that this body lotion moisturizes the skin, it also smells so good. The fragrance is top notch. When using this body lotion, you don't necessarily even need to use body mist on your body. It locks in moisture for 24 hours. It's lightweight and gives that non-greasy feeling after applying. It absorbs into the skin faster and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. If you want a body lotion that will give you that hydrating look, get your hands on this. Next one is the E45 Moisturising Body Lotion. This body lotion is specifically made for dry skin. Lightweight and it absorbs into the skin faster. If you have sensitive skin, eczema prone skin, get your hands on this. So it's a good option if you're looking for a very good hydrating body lotion you can use, especially as a sensitive dry skin, and it can also be used on babies. Next one is Face Part Hyaluronic Body Lotion. This particular one is so affordable. Aside the fact that it's affordable, it moisturizes the skin and gives you that soft looking skin. It contains hyaluronic acid, benzene. This ingredient helps in hydrating the skin. So this is a good option if you're on a budget, you just want something that will hydrate your skin a lot. Get your hands on this. Eucerin Intensive Body Lotion. This body lotion is dermatologist approved. It's fragrance free. If you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, itchy skin, flaky skin, get your hands on this. It doesn't just hydrate your skin, it also helps in hyperpigmentation, discoloration, flaky skin, very dry skin. Restores your skin from very dry to hydrating looking skin. If you also have itchiness on your skin, whenever you have your bath, you're always itching, this particular one is going to do that for you. Like I said, it's fragrance free, so if you have sensitive skin, it can also work for you. It's non-condensogenic body lotion, which means that it doesn't clog your pores. You can also use it on your face. The next one I have is this body lotion, the NIVEA Radiance Beauty Advanced Care. See, if I don't even have to say too much with this body lotion. If you have dry skin, if you have very dry skin, get your hands on this. It contains 5 vitamins and 5 oils that will help hydrate your skin, lock in moisture for 48 hours. Aside it also moisturizing and locking in moisture for 48 hours, it also reduces the appearance of stretch mark. So for the stretch mark side is that you have to use a lot. Like I've used 4 bottles of this, and the only thing I noticed about the stretch mark part is that it just reduces the appearance of the stretch mark. It doesn't really clear it, but if your stretch mark is very dark, it's going to reduce the appearance and make it blend into your skin. That's what it does. So if you're on a budget, you just want a body lotion that will hydrate and lock in moisture. When using this body lotion, you necessarily don't have to use oil. That's how good it is. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. It's a body lotion that moisturizes the skin and it's packed with probiotic oil. It's unscented body lotion that is made for normal to dry and sensitive skin. It's scent free, meaning that it's fragrance free. It absorbs into the skin faster, leaving that non greasy skin looking. It's locking hydration for 48 hours. If you have allergy, your skin itches a lot, your skin is very sensitive, you can get this because it's allergy tested. The next one is Vaseline Intense Care Cocoa Lotion. I'm going to put the picture here. This particular lotion is packed with shea butter and pure cocoa, meaning that it's going to hydrate your skin, it's going to moisturize and give you that hydrating look. Not just body lotion you apply on your body and you start feeling like the lotion is very greasy and all that. No, this is a very good one and also affordable. You just have to make sure you get the original one. Always get your skincare product from a trusted brand. So you don't make the mistake of using fake products and you start complaining that the body lotion is not working. So this one is part of those ones that you have to be really, really careful with the place you purchase them, okay, to be on the safer side. But yeah, this body lotion is very good. The next is La Roche Posay body lotion. La Roche Posay body lotion is very hydrating. It moisturizes the skin and it's also good for dry and sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, get your hands on this. It can be used on babies from 6 months upwards. Like I said, I'm big on those lotions that you can use on babies. The whole family can use your body lotion without being afraid of anything. This one can serve as family body lotion. It gets the job done. It's very moisturizing, and you can also use it on your face, and it's also going to repair your skin, like repair your skin barrier very well. The next one is Naturium Bio-Lipid Restoring Body Lotion. Like the name implies, it restores moisture to your skin, strengthens your skin barrier, leaving your skin soft and moisturizing. It's formulated with omega fatty acid, shea butter, and B vitamins. This body lotion doesn't just moisturize, it's lightweight and it absorbs into the skin faster, leaving that long, greasy looking skin. It absorbs into the skin faster. And the last one is the advanced Korean skin. I'm going to put particular one I'm talking about, the orange one. This particular one repairs your skin barrier. It hydrates your skin. You know, when you apply body lotion, it absorbs into your skin faster without looking greasy. It's lightweight. You don't actually need oil when applying this body lotion. The ingredients they use in formulating this body lotion is just skin repair and hydrating ingredients. Like once you start using it on your skin, it's going to hydrate and repair your skin barrier. This is a good option. This particular one, I haven't really tried other ones, so I can't speak for those ones. But that particular one hydrates the skin and give you that soft looking skin. These are just my top body lotions that are hydrating. Like I said, if you want to achieve a healthy skin, drop that lightning body lotion. If you want your skin to look healthy, if you want your skin to serve you for long, hydrate your skin. Hydrate your skin. Leave bleaching products. Use hydrating products. You're going to enjoy your skin more. You're going to have a glowy skin. You're going to have soft, hydrating looking skin. Let me know in the comment section which of those body lotions you've tried and your experience with them. I will see you in my next